Greetings everyone, it's Denise again with Denise's Dancing Paintbrush, and today I've got another collage for my alphabet book. This is D for Drakestail, a French fairy tale. As the story goes, a very handsome duck named Drakestail found a coin one day. He was very happy, but then he heard that the king was in dire need and requested money, promising to pay it all back to any who would lend it to him. Being a very faithful duck, Drakestail gave his coin to the king and waited for the promised day when it would be repaid. When the day finally came, Drakestail headed for the palace. Along the way, he sang himself a little song, "Quack, quack, quack, when shall I get my money back?" Along the way, he met some friends. Fox stopped him and asked, "Where are you going?" "I'm going to see the king." "Can I come too?" Fox asked. "It's a very long way." "I'll make myself small and you can carry me in your pocket." So Drakestail agreed to take small Fox in his pocket. After a while, he met his friend Beaver, who asked, "Where are you going?" "I'm going to see the king." "Can I come too? I have a ladder that could come in handy." "It's a very long way." "I'll make myself small and you can carry me in your pocket." Drakestail agreed, and off they went until he met his friend Toad. "Where are you going?" Toad asked. "I'm going to see the king." "Can I come too? I have a bucket of water, it could come in handy." "It's a very long way." "I'll make myself small and you can carry me in your pocket." After agreeing, again Drakestail set off, and soon he met Bear. "Where are you going?" Bear asked. "I'm going to see the king." "Can I come too? I have a honeybee's nest with honey that could come in handy." "It's a very long way." "I'll make myself small and you can carry me in your pocket." When Drakestail finally reached the palace, he asked to see the king. Drakestail sang, "Quack, quack, quack, when shall I get my money back?" Now the king had spent all the money he had collected from the people, and there was none to pay back, so naturally he didn't want to see Drakestail. He ordered that Drakestail be thrown into the chicken coop, where the chickens attacked him. At that moment, Fox jumped out of his pocket and killed all the chickens. So he returned to the king and sang, "Quack, quack, quack, when shall I get my money back?" The king then ordered him to be thrown into a deep well. At that moment, Beaver jumped out of his pocket with his ladder, and they both climbed out. Again Drakestail went to the king and sang, "Quack, quack, quack, when shall I get my money back?" Now the king was very angry and ordered Drakestail to be thrown into a fiery furnace. But at that moment Toad jumped out of his pocket with his bucket of water and put the furnace fire out. So Drakestail returned to the king and sang, "Quack, quack, quack, when shall I get my money back?" The furious king now tried to stomp on Drakestail. But at that moment, Bear jumped out of his pocket with his bee's nest, and the bees began to sting the king. He swatted at them and swatted, and finally he threw himself out of the window, and he died. But after searching the palace, Drakestail could not find a single coin anywhere. And then the townspeople came with a petition for the king to return their money that they had lent, and finding that the king was dead, they all rejoiced. And they decided to make Drakestail the new king, and so he lived happily ever after. Now how's that for a good ending? So as you can see, I needed to make my little duck with a vest pocket. It wouldn't work without a pocket. You can barely see it, but I've put an owl with a purple background on his vest, and there is a white seal, baby seal, incorporated into right near his tail. And of course the bees. I needed to have a swarm of bees. And so here it is, the final picture created for Drakestail. I hope you enjoyed my little story. And thanks for watching. Do come again, check out my links below. I'll see you next time. Bye now.